Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial. The plugin offers you an attractive, comprehensive and user-friendly interface that allows you to create amazing product showcase with an ease. You can create unlimited product showcase simply configuring the plugin features. Let me give you a quick overview of all the plugin features and then I will show you how you can create a product slider in real quick. So without further any delay, let's get started. Once you have installed and activated the plugin in your WordPress dashboard, you will see a menu called Product Slider. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here you will find all the slider you have created listed in one place. Click Add New to create a new slider and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs. Initially you will be in the General Settings. Here you can filter your products by 18 different options like featured, category, tag, best selling, related, upsells, cross-sells, top rated, on sale and etc. Then you can select a product data type from here. Check the boxes to show hidden products, hide out of stock products, hide on sale products, hide free products and hide products without thumbnail. Order your products by ID, title, date, random or modified. You can also set an ascending or descending order to your products. Set how many products you want to display in the slider or your product showcase. Enable or disable the preloader from here. Next one is template settings. Using the product slider, you can showcase your products in beautiful slider, grid, masonry and table layout. Set the responsive column value as you like. Then either you can create a custom template or you can go for pre-made templates. There are 28 different pre-made templates available for you to showcase your products. Each of the pre-made templates has a few customization properties which will be visible once you click on the theme. Suppose I am selecting template 2 and you can see info background and border option has been visible for this template 2. Now if I click show preview, then you can see this is how theme 2 looks like. For the custom template, you'll have full access to the each content you want to show in the slider. Like you can set product content position from bottom, top, right, left or overlay. When you select overlay, you will get a few related properties to configure the overlay content position. You can set content padding, border radius, box shadow and inner padding. Let me give you a quick example of the custom template. Let's set border radius to 5 pixel and set the inner padding to 15 pixel each. Now if I update the preview, then you can see it is showing in overlay layout because I have selected the content position as overlay. Let's select bottom and update the preview and you can see a 5 pixel border radius is showing and 15 pixel inner padding is showing on all the sides, and this is a custom layout. Go back to the template settings and select layout preset as grid and scroll down at the bottom of the page to find the pagination related properties. Here you can configure pagination type from 4 different options. Set pagination alignment, product to show per page and pagination color. Configure the properties as you like. Now let's move on to the display options configuration tab. Here you can show or hide the product section title and set a custom URL to your product section title if you want to. Set a space between the products. Enable or disable the Ajax product search. Let's enable it and see how it looks like. This is an Ajax search box which appears to the top of the product showcase. You can search product title here and it will be sorted automatically. I will show you when I publish the shortcode to any web pages. Below that you can configure the product name, product description, product rating, sale and out of stock ribbon, add to cart button and quick view button related properties. Now let's move on to the image settings. Here you can show or hide the image, set an border and border radius to the image, enable or disable the image flip. Remember, the flipping image will be the first image of your product gallery. Let's see how does that image flip works. Update the preview and you can see this is how the image flip feature works. Set a placeholder image for the products which has no product image. Resize the product image as you like. Let's set the value to 400 into 400 pixel and update the preview. And you can see the products are showing in a square shape now. Enable or disable 2x resolution image in retina display and product image lightbox. Configure zoom and image mode effects for your products. Check the box to show image title attribute. Now let's go back to the template settings and select layout preset as slider and you can see the slider controls tab appears. So go to the slider controls tab and here you can select a slider mode as standard and thicker. Set carousel orientation from horizontal and vertical. Configure autoplay speed, slider speed, slide to scroll, pause on hover, infinite loop, fade effect, slider direction, and row value. Using this row value, you can create a multi-row carousel. And below that, you can show or hide the navigation and configure the navigation and pagination related properties. Let's select pagination type as number and update the preview. And you can see this is how a number pagination looks like. Enable or disable the touch sweep, mouse draggable, mouse wheel control, and free mode. The last configuration tab is typography. By default, all the typography options are disabled. Turning on the product's fonts, you can enable this. In the typography settings, you can change the product section title, product name, product description, product price, sale ribbon, out of stock ribbon, product category font, compare and wishlist font, add to cart and view details font button related properties like font family, font style, subset, text alignment, text transformation, font size, line height, letter spacing, and font color. Now let's publish the shortcode and go to a page where you want to display it. Insert the shortcode using the WooCommerce Product Slider Pro Gutenberg block. Select the shortcode and you will get a preview of it. Publish the page and view it. So this is how a product slider display in the web pages. If I change the layout to grid, then let's see how it looks like. Update the preview and now reload it, and you can see this is how a grid layout looks like. Now let's move on to the plugin settings menu. Here you can see license activation page appears to be the first. This is the license activation field where you need to insert the license key to activate the plugin. Below that, you will find the advanced settings. Here you will find all the CSS and JS used in the plugin to run it smoothly. If you want, you can enqueue or dequeue it. Next one is upsells products. You can show or hide the default upsells products. Select your created shortcode where you have filtered as upsells to display the upsells products in the product single page. Remember, upsells products should be added by manually in the product section. Related product settings is same as the upsells product. The major difference is related product will be displayed automatically from the product related categories and tags. You don't need to set them up manually. Most importantly, you can replace the product or shop page layout, product category page, and product tag page layout with the Product Slider Pro plugin shortcodes. When you enable it, you will have the option to select your created shortcode to replace the default shop or product page. And don't forget to save the settings. Those are some responsive breakpoints. You can set them up according to your needs. Next one is custom CSS. Write down the custom CSS here to modify the plugin default styling. Next one is Tools menu. Using the Tools menu, you can export and import all the shortcodes you have created using the Product Slider Pro plugin. That's a wrap of this video. In the upcoming video, I will show you how to use all those features in the plugin to make your product slider even more attractive and meaningful. Until then, take care.